Hello everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. So today we're going to be making a beef pot roast with vegetables. A simple and hearty dish. Basically you put everything in a pot, throw it in the oven, a few hours, you got something good and filling to eat. So let's get everything together that we need for this dish. For our pot roast we're going to need the following. Some beef broth, some Cajun seasoning, some oil, some brown gravy mix, some carrots, some potatoes, some celery, and a beef roast. So let's prepare our ingredients. Before we continue, I publish new videos every Tuesday, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also enable notifications and you'll be the first to know when new videos are published. So now, back to our recipe. So the first thing we need to do is get our roast seasoned up. So I've got some Cajun seasoning blend here, and I prefer Tony's, but you can use whatever flavor you want, seasoning you like. And then we're going to go and just heavily season this. I'm going to press it into the meat. Flip it over, we'll do the same thing to the other side. Oh, excuse me. A lot of pepper in this blend. So now that we've got this all seasoned up, we're going to get over to the stove and we're going to sear this thing all the way around, and then we're going to keep building on our flavors. All right, so we have got us a Dutch oven heated up over a medium-high heat, and now we're going to take our roast and we're going to place that in there, and we're going to get a nice sear on each side. All right, so we've got a nice sear on all sides of our roast. So we are now going to add in some beef broth, and this is going to be about 2 cups. Be careful, the steam is kind of high. So now what we're going to do is we're going to throw this into a 350-degree oven, cover it, and let it cook for a couple of hours. Alright, so while our roast is cooking in the oven for a few hours, we're going to go ahead and get our vegetables ready. I'm going to take our potatoes. I'm going to cut these up into nice sized chunks. Oops. Still coughing up some of that seasoning from when we seared the roast. And there we go. Alright, potatoes are ready. I guess I should have got me a trash bowl. Let's grab that real quick. There we go. There we go. Set this in a bowl. What I've done, you can use fresh carrots if you like, but I like to use the baby carrots. So go ahead and put those in our bowl, so that way when we're ready to add them, all we gotta do is dump it out as I make a mess. There we go. All right, so got our vegetables all chopped up. Now we're just waiting on our roast. Okay, so this has been going for a couple hours. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna give this a good flip. Careful not, there we go. Then we are gonna add another 2 cups of chicken broth to this. And now we are gonna add our vegetables. Oh, I'm making a mess. I'm gonna evenly spread this out. And now we're gonna cover this back up and let this go for another couple of hours at 350 in the oven. All right, so this has been going for an additional 2 hours, so we're gonna go ahead and open the lid on this. All right, everything looks good. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna now take our brown gravy mix, which we've mixed in with some beef stock or beef broth. Yeah, beef roast is perfect. Good mix. Let's go ahead and get a taste of the gravy, see if we need any salt or pepper. Nothing needed extra. Gravy's good. All right, so we're gonna let this sit here and rest for about 15 minutes for the gravy to thicken up, and then we're gonna serve us up some roast and potatoes. All right, so everything's ready, set to go. So let's go ahead and get this all plated up. So we're gonna serve this up with some mashed potatoes. All right, we're gonna give us a nice piece of the roast. Set that to the side. And now we're going to get us some of these vegetables. And there we go. Everything's set and ready. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. As always, you need to enjoy cooking in the kitchen and share it with your friends. And also be nice and be kind, because you could make someone's day. And until next time, enjoy.